Learn Galician, as there, equals.
Hay.
English-Galician Essentials. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, you, ready to learn fast and smile while you do it? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today we crack the everyday question, as there. In Galician, it's
Hay.
Imagine a friendly three-note jingle that goes, hi, while you ask. Your goal today. In 2 minutes, you'll ask for things like a local. Stay curious and speak out loud. Map it in your head, as there, equals.
Hay.
Statement. There are equals.
Hay.
Negation.
Non hay.
Don't confuse with location verbs, not.
Está.
Here, use.
Hay.
For existence. Mnemonic. Say, hi, to the unknown, sounds like.
Hay.
Mini dialogue at the cafe. Jump into a tiny scene and echo the lines after me. You, excuse me.
Hay. Una mesa libre.
Quote. Host.
Sí, por aquí.
Quote. You.
Gracias.
Quote. Bonus at the counter.
Hay. Café con leite.
Quote. Drills. Echo and replace. Say it with me, short, confident, and curious. Template.
Hay.
Ask for a bank.
Hay un banco preto.
Ask for time.
Hay tempo.
Ask for something unspecified.
Hay algo.
Finish it. Snacks, tickets, you name it. Cafe special.
Hay. Café descafeinado.
If the answer is no.
Non hay.
Example.
Non hay entradas hoxe.
Culture tip. Tapas time. In Galicia, be polite, add a smile, and ask away. At a tapas bar you might hear.
Hay. Polvo hoxe.
If yes, lucky you. If not, no problem.
Non hay.
Try the next plate. Humor break. Because learning sticks when you laugh. You ask your fridge.
Hay. Pizza.
The fridge replies, only in your dreams. You.
Entón non hay.
Time to go shopping. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, trust your gut. Q1. Which Galician phrase means, is there? A.
Está.
B.
Hay.
C.
Boas tardes.
Answer. B.
Hay.
Q2. Say, there isn't, in Galician. Answer.
Non hay.
Q3. Make a question for a city map. Model.
Hay. Un mapa da cidade.
Challenge. Real-life mission. Time to use it in the wild, nice and simple. At a ticket office.
Hay. Algunha entrada para hoxe?
At information.
Hay. Un mapa da cidade.
Chaining practice.
Hay. Un parque preto.
Slash.
Hay. Entradas?
Slash.
Hay. Tempo.
Wrap up and next steps. You did great, curiosity wins. Thanks for listening. Keep asking with.
Hay.
Notice answers like
Hay.
and
Non hai.
And practice daily. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content. See you next time.